Hi, are you someone who wants to learn a course that is high in demand and no coding is required? Are you someone who wants a job in the IT industry with long-term career? Are you someone from a non-technical background, a fresher, or someone with gaps in career and now looking to achieve something better? Well, we have come up with an answer to all of your questions by introducing the full stack Power BI course at KSR Data Vision. Why should I join this course? You may ask. Well, let me tell you. Now, companies perform their data analysis and reporting earlier on on-premises databases by using Microsoft BI and MySQL. These days, we all know every company is moving to cloud-based solutions, not only because it is reliable, but also cost-effective. Almost every company, especially after the pandemic, has started thinking in this way, which is to reduce cost and improve efficiency. While some companies have already migrated, others are taking decisions to migrate their data and reports to cloud-based solutions. As they are already using a Microsoft product, which is Microsoft BI, it is easier for them to migrate to Power BI, which is a cloud-based data visualization tool. Now, this tool is used for effective reporting, while on the other hand, Microsoft Azure is a cloud service provider which supports data storage. Now, using these tools is easier and cost-effective to migrate data and reports to the cloud. Now, for this reason, MSBI, which is Microsoft BI, MySQL, Azure and Power BI have become essential and high in demand tools and thus form the full stack Power BI course. The good news is there are very few professionals who have the expertise on these tools. Hence, if you master these tools, you have a greater chance and you become an obvious choice for companies to hire you. So at KSR Data Vision, we help you to master these tools with the full stack Power BI course, by which you can help companies to analyze and visualize on both on-premises and cloud based on their requirements. So here are the tools once again for you. The tools are Power BI, MSBI, which is Microsoft BI, Azure Data Factory, and MySQL or MySQL. So now that you know the importance of the full stack Power BI course, I would like to inform you that we are starting a new batch on this Thursday, 10th of March, 2022. The link to the course is included in the description, and I hope to see you on the other side of the video.